Walks in, walks out. Paint up, paint down. Yan. Pag na-master mo mga yan, ako pwede kang yumaman. Ha? Yes, sa video na ito, isi-share ko po sa the mentor who helped me made my first million pesos. Kung gusto niyo malaman, you got to watch this.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Shinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Ay, naku, super excited ako sa episode natin na ito. Join me through a journey of my life. Parang grabe talaga. Kung paano nakatulong po talaga ang mentorship po sa akin from a person who's lost to right now, I'm found. Naalala niyo ba itong Karate Kid? Karate Kid. I'm sure kasi two versions yan. Kay Miyagi at saka kay Jackie Chan. Inabutan ko kay Jackie Chan. Hindi, Miyagi. So, si Miyagi, during that time, di ba, may tinuturo siya. Di ba, sabi ni Daniel-san, I want to learn karate. Oo, sabi niya, sige, start. Walks in, walks out. Paint up, paint down. I want to learn karate. Sabi gano'n. Ay, araw-araw yun ang ginawa niya. Tapos until such time, di ba, nainis na talaga si Daniel-san. Ayaw na mag-walks in, walks out. Ayaw na alipin na ako, ginagamit mo lang ako. Tapos bigla na lang. Sinuntok siya ni Miyagi. Pag suntok niya, gumaganong-ganon siya. Tapos nagamit niya. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, yung mga basic po na tinuturo natin sa buhay ay malaki po ang impact po in the future. And when you talk about mentorship, it's very different from coaching. Ang mentorship is transferring of one's knowledge, technology, and expertise to another person. Yung kay Miyagi, tinuturo niya kay Daniel-san. Okay, kaya nga, alam mo, ito lang po. Pag wala po tayong mentor sa buhay, alam mo mangyari niyan? Una, feeling loss. Parang ang bumiyahe na wala kang direction, di mo alam, di ba? Wala kang purpose. And then, pag wala ka rin mentor, mas marami pong mga pagkakamali na pwede mong gawin. Imbis na maiwasan mo pagkakamali. Do you agree? Number 3, napakalungkot niyan. Kasi minsan, I don't know kung experience mo na yan. Hindi mo na alam anong gagawin mo. Diba? Pagkatapos yan, diskarte ka ng diskarte, pero nasasayang lang yung oras mo. Na-experience na yun. And then, you miss a lot of good chances. Important opportunities. Minsan, nabigyan ka ng opportunity, pero walang nagko-coach, nagkamali ka, back to zero ka. Ay, grabe. Kaya nga, alam mo, nagpapasalamat talaga po ako na, yun nga, na-realize ko na talagang I cannot do it alone. I need to find a mentor. And during the time, mga first few mentors ko are books, authors. Siyempre, wala pa, hindi ko pa alam eh. Nagbabasa talaga ng books, no? And when I started to read books, parang kung paano sila mag-isip, ganun na rin ako mag-isip. And one of my favorite author talaga, when it comes to leadership, leadership, si John Maxwell talaga. One of the most parang impactful na sinasabi niya about leadership, it's not about title, it's never about position. Because even if you have a title, you have a position, if people do not follow you, you're not a leader. Because leadership is all about the word called influence. Pag may influensya ka sa buhay ng ibang tao, leader ka, kahit wala kang title and position. So, from there, and then next, I moved on from books. Nakinig na ako ng mga cassette tapes. Cassette tapes pa during that time. Wala pang mga download. So, bumibili ako sa Amerika. Zig Ziglar, grabe, The Power of Goal Setting. Memorize ko talaga siya as a matter of fact. Hindi ako magaling mag-English, pero sa kakapakinig ng mga cassette tapes na yan, gumaling ang English ko. That's the reason why, if you realize that my grammar is perfect in tenses, it means to say, I memorized it. Yan ang boses ni Zig Ziglar. Grabe. So, yun. Yung cassette tapes were my mentors also. And actually, kasi iba-iba tayong learner. May mga iba reader, may mga iba auditory. I'm more of a listener. And until such time, I found a physical mentor na talagang hindi na siya international, pero local na siya. And nagpapasalamat ako that this person came into my life. And that is no other than Mr. Francis Kong. He's a renowned speaker, expertise in leadership, personal development, ethics, grabe. Grabe talaga yung wisdom niya, yung grabe. As in, to cut the long story short, how Francis Kong has guided and mentored me. Ang ginawa ko po, ito yung ginawa ko. Kung gusto mo talaga makahanap ng mentor, kailangan makulit ka. Oo. Please. When you say makulit, kinulit ko talaga siya. Sinabi ko, can I work for you for free? I will shadow you. Diba? To cut the long story short, 6 months, ginawa ko yan. 6 months, nag-carry ako ng bag niya, ako naggawa ng PowerPoint, ako nag-assist sa kanya. So, basically, through those mentorship, nung nakikita ko siya, I learned the art, number one, of tama niyang mindset, tama niyang habits, di ba? Nakikita ko siya pag nag-out of town kami. Alas 6, gising na yan. Unang ginagawa, nagpe-pray yan. Pagkatapos nagbabasa ng Bible. Pagkatapos niyan, yun, may routine na siya, mag-exercise na siya. It really inspired me. No, sabi ko, galing talaga ng taong ito. He walks the talk, hindi lang talaga siya show. And not only that, mga friendship, because of that, he taught me on how to write books. He taught me how to do public speaking. He taught me everything that I know right now. That's the reason why, guys, I owe this career to no other than Mr. Francis Kong. Kaya kung hindi ka pa yung nagpa-follow kay Francis Kong, please do follow him at his social media website. Pero, ito na, the question that I would like to answer today is this: how can you find the right mentor for you? Pero bago natin sagutin yan, kamustahin muna natin si Ana Jean, okay, Lebio, tapos si GJR Printer Repair, at si Sam Pena 8128. Hello! So, paano ka makakahanap ng mentor mo? Number one, i-identify mo muna kung anong goals mo at saka need mo. If you want to have a, like for example, spiritual mentor, find a, someone who's spiritual. If you want to have a relationship mentor, find someone who's good in relationship. If you want to find a person who's financial, kunyari finances, you find a financial mentor. That's number one. And then number two, seek someone who is really an expert, who's not only good in talking, but good at walking. Diba? They walk the talk. Ibig sabihin po niyan, may years of experience na, meron ng proof. Kasi right now, medyo nakakashock na nga. Mga siguro 15-year-old, 18-year-old, 20-year-old, mentor na sila, nagtuturo. Sabi ko, ano kaya tuturo nila? Yung in terms of expertise and experience, baka kulang pa sila sa years, no? And then number three, ang importante, just like what I did, kailangan makulit ka. Build genuine connection. And then when you reach out to a mentor, hindi yung, uy, mentor man mo. Oh? May utang na loob. Ang dapat, kung gusto mong magpa-mentor sa isa, you need to learn how to serve. Ang tanong, mentor, meron ba akong pwedeng itulong sa'yo? How can I serve you? And in the process of you serving him, you get something in return. Diba? Minsan, yung parang, di ba may kakilala kayong uy, pautang naman. Ha? May patago ka? And then, ito lang pag gusto mong maghanap ng mentor, always remember this. Hindi ko makalimutan to. A mentor will appear when the student is ready. How will you know that if you're ready, if you're hungry, if you're open, if you're receptive, so if you're open for correction, di ba? Pag hindi ka pa open at feeling mo magaling ka pa, it's not yet your time. So guys, ito yung na-realize ko sa power of mentorship. I always tell people, there's no shortcut to success. Do you agree? Type agree in the comments section kung nag-agree ka. Walang shortcut to success. But you can cut short your learning curve if you learn from great mentors. And I'm really so thankful and grateful. Writing my first book right now, I have 17 books. Tapos, I do talks, I have a TV show. Ay nako, honestly, I owe everything to God, definitely, and to my mentor. Kaya nga para sa mga tao, ikaw, naghanap ka ba ng mentor? Oo. Kung naghahanap ka ng mentor, okay, why don't you join us in this channel? That's number one. And number two, kung gusto mo talaga you to be mentored by me, okay, kung gusto nyo, join us in our community channel sa Facebook. Sa Facebook, Team Iponario. Libre naman po ang pag-join. Okay? So if you want to be part of the Team Iponario Facebook group, just subscribe. Nothing to lose but everything to gain. Maraming salamat, and I hope that you are enlightened the importance of mentorship. Kaya friendship, maghanap ka na rin ng mentor mo sa different fields, no, in your career, in your personal, financial, and family life. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.